Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate ko, Beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Okay, tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung energy o mensahe na gusto iparating sa'yo, Virgo. We have flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Okay, so medyo daw mag-flirt. Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Okay, so maging playful din. Okay? And then, attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Okay? So, huwag ba, Virgo, huwag masyadong serious. Enjoy lang. Okay? So, hindi naman masama mag-flirt lang, di ba? Huwag ba parang one way to also get in person's attention is if you flirt, di ba? Huwag ba parang hindi naman landi. Kasi I don't think it's a nice word to describe yung meaning ng flirt, no, sa Tagalog. But something na parang pinararamdam mo lang sa tao na you also like the person by showing some simple gestures na talagang to let the person know or lead them to know or to feel na you also like them, di ba? Kasi syempre kung hindi ka gaganon, no, if you won't be expressing yourself through flirting, kung ba parang your person won't have any idea at all kung paano ba o may pag-asa ba siya o gusto mo rin ba siya, things like that. Kung ba napaka cold mo, napakalamig mo, napaka-stiff mo na wala kang reaction pag andyan siya o kausap mo siya o nakikita mo siya, syempre yung tao parang ano to, 'di ba? Para kang tuod. Ano yun? Kaya it's also nice to flirt once in a while and be playful. Yung playful is just being, alam mo yung enjoy kayo, hindi yung kung kayo na, no, if you're already in a relationship. Syempre once in a while, 'di ba, parang ang sarap yung feeling na parang naglalaro kayo, as if you are parang ito yung ka-playmate mo, kung ba sa bata, ito yung kalaro mo, di ba? And it's just fun, no? Ang idea is to have fun. And of course, yung attraction natin, di ba? If this is somebody na hindi pa kayo, then parang ma-attract yung romantic love na yon, enjoy it, no? Yung way of when you flirt or you being playful, you enjoy that moment, okay? So, tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung message na gusto parating sa'yo, Virgo. We have the 8 of Swords, Judgment, the 3 of Cups, the Tower, and the 4 of Wands. Ang bottom is Temperance. Okay, Virgo, ang Temperance natin this is an energy coming from a Sagittarius. You might be dealing with a Sagittarius. Ngayon, kung bakit andito yung energy ng temperance is because angel or God is saying na you need to balance yourself, no? Kailangan balansehin mo yung sarili mo. Alam mong balansehin yung sarili mo kung hindi mo pa to nagagawa o may problema ka para balansehin yung sarili mo. Kasi most of the time, I would say na ano to 'di ba, challenge to, 'di ba? A challenge to sa'yo. Kasi nga, for one is masyado kang hardworking, no, pagdating sa pagtatrabaho. So, yung time mo, yung energy na binibigay mo sa work is talagang 100% o minsan more than 100% pa nga eh. Now, kung 100% na yun, then what about your other half, which is yung personal life mo, no? O yung pamilya mo, kung may family ka na. You need also to give that at time, yung a portion of that time sa kanila. Kaya nga hindi pwedeng totally na sabihin natin na buhos ka sa pagtatrabaho tapos wala na, nakalimutan mo na yung ka-relationship mo o yung pamilya mo. Hindi naman pwede yun. Kaya nga sinasabi dito na learn to balance yourself. No, kasi ito lang yung sabihin natin na ito kasi kailangan mo para maganda yung flow ng relationship, no? Kasi na ano mo natitimbang mo pareho equally, which is what is needed. Kasi once you were able to do that, yung mabalance mo na yung emotions, then it will be a wish fulfillment for you, no? With the 9 of Cups. Kasi nga, hindi na to magiging burden para sa'yo with the 10 of Wands. Kasi ngayon, nagiging burden nga di ba? The way I see it kasi, yung mga mahal nating Virgo is really, kung ba nakasubsob sa trabaho. Aminin nyo man yan o hindi, pero sa totoo lang, you really give 100% of your time pagdating sa pagtatrabaho, sa pag-work. That's why maybe you are being asked to be playful once in a while, no? Learn to flirt. Huwag masyadong seryoso. Enjoy. If there's somebody who's attracted to you, enjoy that moment. Huwag mong ibaliwala, no? Huwag yung puro napaka-serious mo pagdating sa work lang. Kasi eventually, you would feel na nagiging burden na to, na parang, ano ba yan, wala na nangyayari sa akin kasi puro trabaho. Diba? Kaya, dapat, ito yun, yung temperance. That's why ito yung agad yung energy na pinapakita sa'yo. Learn to balance yourself. Okay? Kasi dito, with the 8 of Swords, marami kang may mga maraming tumatakbo sa isipan mo, no? Which is very typical because you are more of a thinker, no? You use more of your logic rather than your emotion. Kaya ang dami nagpi-play sa isip mo about things, about relationship, kung ano man yung nakaka-apekto sa iyo sa ngayon. And that is really, parang testing your judgment. Kung ba parang, ano nang magiging desisyon ko? Kung ganitong ang daming na pumapasok sa isipan ko na kung ba to a point na I'm overthinking na, minsan nag-overthink na ako. Hindi ko na talaga na-enjoy ba yung time ko for other things, but more of nangyayari kasi nakafocus na ako dun sa kung ano man yung bagay o sitwasyon na nabibigyan ko talaga ng maraming oras ko sa pag-iisip. Wherein dapat I should be enjoying myself, with the 3 of Cups. Enjoying myself with my friends, with my coworkers, with my family, with my better half or aking person. Celebrate, have a date, have a drink, go dancing, watch a concert, go shopping, have a holiday, yung mga ganun. Kasi nga, I think sobra kang magtrabaho To a point na ito na yung tower, di ba? Yung tower kasi lumalabas to pag kailangan eh. Kaya minsan binibigyan ka ng tower moment, Virgo, is because para magising-gising ka na, uy, ano ka ba? Puro ka trabaho, puro ka seryoso. Dapat something na talagang bigla dadating sa'yo para medyo magising-gising ka at mabago-bago yung pag-iisip mo. Hindi yung naka-focus ka lang dito sa mga bagay na it keeps you, yung para bang nag-worry ka tuloy to a point na parang ano nang gagawin ko susunod, you keep on planning and thinking, and to a point na sabi ko, you keep na nag-overthink ka na, no? Sumusobra na. Wherein dapat ang binibigyan mo ng energy is ito, the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands is something na meron kang, alam mo yung future mo, something that would give you this, yung future na to na may mag-offer sa'yo ng proposal for marriage or something na talagang you continue to plan for the future na maging maganda nga yung relationship, very solid, very stable. Yun yung dapat na binibigyan mo ng energy kasi kung puro work, syempre, paano tayo dadating dito? Diba? I mean, parang mas pinakasalan mo na yung trabaho mo kaysa sa tao. Diba? I mean, I know some people would really mas happy sila na to just work rather than have a relationship. Kasi siguro naging hindi magandang experience nila sa past, kaya mas okay sila ng they just work, mas less yung heartache. Or sabihin natin na maybe hindi talaga siya swerte, wala there's nobody else na talagang nagseryoso sa kanya. Kaya nga, maybe what God is saying here, something will come, something na unknown to you, o masyashock ka na biglang may dadating sa'yo na mag-o-offer ng proposal, a marriage proposal, something na talagang would lead to marriage, okay? Kasi nga, kung ba parang hindi mo to ina-expect, maybe if you change your mindset, yung attitude mo to be more flirty or be more playful and enjoy the moment na this person approaches you, enjoy yourself, something will happen, something unexpected will happen to you, Virgo, na hindi mo akalain na dadating yung person o may mag-o-offer sa'yo ng proposal or something na talagang would lead to a solid relationship. Now, tignan natin, ba't andito yung Eight of Swords? We have the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so bottom is the Ace of Cups. Okay, so yung new beginning in love dito na somehow iniisip mo, parang nagkaroon tuloy ng ending no? Karoon ng ending with you, Queen of Pentacles. This is an energy from an earth sign, either Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Kasi pakiramdam mo, hindi ka napansin, iniwan ka na sa ere, hindi ka na binigyan ng atensyon, o hindi ka na binigyan ng importansya. You're just being parang left behind, no? Iniwan ka na lang dyan. And naging na yun, no? Naging parang pakiramdam mo, wala na, tapos na. And that keeps you thinking and thinking. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari dito sa new love ko? Sa new beginning? Na supposedly gives me something to look forward to. Now, ba't andito yung Judgment? We have the Moon, the Ten of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Bottom niya is the Queen of Wands. Now, yung inihingi sa yung decision dito is something that you are still unsure about. Hindi ka sure. Though, alam mo na nakakapabigat na sa'yo. Kasi ang gusto mo is, sana matupad na yung hinihiling mo, no? Sana maging masaya ka na. Yun yung hinihiling mong sana mangyari sa'yo, no? Which is, I think, what you are being asked is kung gusto mo nga magkaroon nitong wish fulfillment na to is, of course, start going out with your friends, no? Have time to enjoy. Be the Queen of Wands. Kasi itong Queen of Wands is somebody na action to no? Gagalaw siya, kikilos siya. Talagang ipaparamdam niya yung somebody na that would really, express herself. May enjoy niya, her or him. Doesn't matter yung ano niya, gender, but i-express niya talaga yung sarili niya. Hindi siya mag-hold back, no, in enjoying life. No, but andito yung Tower. We have the 8 of Wands, the 6 of Wands, and the Lovers. Bottom niya is the World. So yung Tower is something that is unexpected, would mean something na may magko-communicate sa'yo. Yung lover mo would communicate with you. This is an energy coming from a Gemini. Makikipag-communicate siya sa'yo. Na pakiramdam mo is talagang hindi mo to inaasahan. You're not expecting this communication coming from your lover na talagang would make you very happy and feeling mo talaga parang ngayon, parang nagkaroon na ako ng panibagong cycle in life. Parang nagbinigyan ako ng panibagong pag-asa sa pagdating sa relationship because there's somebody that gave me yung feeling na somebody now, but andito yung 4 of Wands. We have the Ace of Cups, the King of Swords, and the 5 of Wands. Bottom is the Queen. The Queen of Wands. Okay, so yung sinasabi kong unexpected na magkakaroon ka ng proposal, yung proposal na to is really your new love, no? Bagong love to na dadating. And it might come from an air sign o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart which is either Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. Okay? So, either yun yung sun sign niya or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. And this person is not fooling around. Alam mo yung katulad mo, Virgo, logic din ang umiiral sa kanya. So, magsasalita siya, magsasabi siya ng diretso sa'yo kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. And 5 of Wands is, of course, ang inaano mo dito is wala sanang conflict. Wala sanang maging problema kayo dito sa relationship na to. Okay? Yun yung hinahope mo. Kasi, again, with the Queen of Wands, yung energy na to na fire sign, gusto mo lang is to make sure na you enjoy yung relationship, something that's really very passionate, at may movement, may action, no? Ipinapakita talaga yung kanyang nararamdaman. Magiging successful ba tong relationship na to with Virgo? Once na-meet niya na yung person. Yes. Again, Ace of Cups. Dalawa na Ace of Cups mo. This new love. Yan o, dalawang Ace of Cups. This new love will be very successful. Virgo. Kaya, kung bigyan mo siya ng time, bigyan mo siya ng energy. Wag yung puro work. I-divert mo rin yung oras mo dito sa tao na to. Okay? Kasi siya yun eh. Siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong pag-ibig, bagong pag-asa, o tsaka magli-lead nga to a proposal, marriage proposal. Magiging successful ang relationship with this new love. Magtatagal ba to? Yung relationship na to? Yes. Oh, again, with the Three of Cups. This is something na talagang worth celebrating, no? Kasi magtatagal yung relationship. Talagang magiging happy ka ba dito sa person mo? Virgo, happy and contented? Yes. Mabilis to mangyayari with the Chariot. Hindi mo talaga inaasahan na dadating tong tao na to sa buhay mo. Unexpectedly, bigla siyang dadating. Kaya wait ka lang. Tanong natin. Baka you wanted to know. This year na ba niya makikilala to? O this year ba ito mangyayari? Yes. This year. So mag-o-offer na siya. Hintayin mo lang this year. Bago matapos yung year, hopefully meron ka na. Any more messages? Psychic connection. Your communication goes beyond mere words. Wow. Diba? May pagkaano kayo. Through thinking lang o pag-iisip lang, nararamdaman nyo na agad yung connection nyo. Love language, gift giving. Tokens of reciprocity hold cherish memories. Okay, so mapagbigay siya ng gift. Okay, itong person mo. Mahilig siya magbigay. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa Virgo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.